Volunteers are critical to the success of an event this size. High expectations and little time to complete the work requires an army of extra labor to get it all done. Just as difficult as preparing the course, managing all of the logistics of the week can be a daunting task as well. The team of Nick Cyrus and Paul Lazar have been coordinating every little detail to make sure this week is a success on and off the course.
100 volunteers, it's a lot of coordination. It's, you got housing, you got clothing to deal with, catering. It's just a lot of factors that go into making this program what it is. It's not even the maintenance side of things.
Well, I think, when you're dealing with something in this scope, a lot of things aren't in control. You're not in control. You're dealing with other entities. The USGA is in control of a lot of things. They do a great job. They're wonderful, but they've got a lot to do throughout this facility to make this happen. So, that's probably one of the largest challenges. And then bringing in 100 people that you've never met, coordinating their travel and trying to make it a great experience for them, as well as productive in the assistance that they're given to the grounds crew here at the country club. When you're doing the amount of detail work to make this a U.S. Open golf course, it took a lot of years of preparation, but you need some assistance because you got some very tight timelines. You're grooming and taking care of this golf course in a way that is really double or triple what one would normally do for a regular membership. So you need a team to do that, and your hours of which you can do it are very limited. You take through Monday through Friday here, tee times on 1 and 10 are before 7 o'clock, so you have with sunlight a couple of hours to do a whole lot of work. And then out there again at nighttime after play, and a couple of hours before the sun goes down to get a lot of work done. So it's pretty vital.
Certainly I'm not out there on the course doing what they're doing there. Those guys are incredible out there, but it's kind of like whatever my thought process is, whatever I can do to help them inside, just to make their life easier out there. Even helping Dave with his calendar management, his emails. Even today I texted him the schedule for the day, so I got reminders on my phone, alarms going off my phone to remind him that he's got meetings coming up today. So just try to stay on top of those things, make sure he's where he needs to be.
Another critical piece to this week's success are partners like BASF. Their support helps provide the necessary resources for lodging, transportation, food, and more.
They just really make the experience unbelievable. Everything from supplying equipment to helping supply the rest areas, the education areas, the tents, furniture, all of the wonderful things that they've given. And the individuals from each of those of our partners being here and being a resource for help and assistance and attaboys and everything else. It means a lot, and it's really helped this thing go. I honestly think it would be impossible to do without the sponsors. There's no question about it. You just couldn't do it at a level that meets the level of expectation that the country club has always had.